Mom, I am very bored today.
Oh, Lily, what happened, my love?
I don't have any friends, Mom. I feel lonely.
Why do you feel lonely, my dear?
I don't have anyone to play with, Mom. I am very sad today.
You can play with me.
I love you, Mom, but I want a friend my age.
I understand, Lily.
Mom, someone is at the door. Hello? What is your name, Penguin?
Hi, my name is Pico.
Please come inside.
Wow, your home is very beautiful and colorful.
Thank you, Piku. Do you want to be my friend?
Yes, we are friends now.
Lily, you found a new friend today.
Yes, Mom. I am so happy now. Please sit here with me.
Your house is warm and nice.
Should we have some fun on the sofa? Whee! I want to ask you, why did you come here?
Because I left my tribe far away.
That's very sad to hear, but I am your new friend now.
You are having fun, Lily. Are you children hungry?
Yes, Mom, we are too hungry.
I made cooked fish for Lily and fresh fish and krill for you, Pico.
Raw fish is my favorite food.
I like fish too, but I eat it cooked.
Enjoy your food, kids. I am happy to see you both smiling.
Mom, can I watch TV with my new friend?
Yes, sweetheart. You can watch TV after lunch.
Do you want to watch TV with me? Yes! What is your favorite show? I am turning on the TV now. Yes! Let's watch! Look at that! So funny! Go, Orange Cat! He almost got him!
This cartoon is very funny.
I am glad you like it.
Lily, can we play outside now?
Yes! Let's play football! Wear this. It looks cool on you.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, I am not good at playing football. It's okay, Piku. Try again slowly. Yay! I am proud of you. What other sports do you play, Piku? I like playing with a hula hoop. Ready for hula hoops, Penguin? Yes! Let's go! Wow, you're so good at hula hoop. Thank you. I practiced a lot with my old friends.
That's amazing. You didn't drop it even once.
It's all about balance. I also want to enjoy this. Can I also try this now?
Yes, sure. Now it's your turn.
Oh no, it fell again! I don't want to play with this hula hoop anymore.
No problem. It was your first time.
Mom will be angry. Let's go home now. I think I ran a marathon. I am so tired now.
And I am sleepy now.
First, we have to clean ourselves. Our clothes are muddy. Yeah, let's go and swim together. It will be fun. Is water warm or cold, Piku? I am scared of swimming. No, the water is refreshing. Yay, jump! Wow, this is so refreshing. I think we have done enough swimming. We should dry yourself and eat some snacks.
Lily, how was your day with your new friend?
It was an amazing day, Mom.
I have brought juice and fruits for you. Please sit on these chairs and enjoy.
Thank you, Mom, for bringing these snacks. We are really hungry.
Lily, night is approaching. Please come inside after eating.
Okay, Mom.
Piku, today we enjoyed a lot. I don't feel lonely at all.
Thank you, Lily, for playing with me. You are my best friend.
Good night, Lily.